Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to insert landscape page in portrait document in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Select the text and go to page setup and apply to selected text and orientation landscape and click OK. Take a blank page, press Ctrl Enter. Select the page, go to page setup and selected text orientation landscape. Just remove the blank page, keep the cursor top of head and press backspace. And press delete button. Press the delete button and keep the cursor top of head. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.